Welcome back to Vintage Vittles. Today we're gonna make my grandma's chocolate oatmeal cookies. It's really exciting because you only need one pan to make it, and you don't even need to know how to cook because we're just gonna throw stuff in a pot basically. Let's do it.
No dishes, no mess, no problem.
Alright, first we're gonna add half a cup of milk.
You're gonna heat the milk over low heat.
We already measured out the sugar, don't worry. This is 2 cups of sugar, by the way. Just keep gradually adding the sugar while stirring, mix it in thoroughly. There's no such thing as too much sugar in the 1950s.
That's right.
Now, a half cup of cocoa powder.
Oh yeah, Dan. Give me that sweet, sweet cocoa.
Now we're gonna wait till we can bring this to a good boil before we start adding the rest of the ingredients. Once it's having a good boil, you can now add the other ingredients. We'll start with a stick of margarine.
Oh, look at this love boat in a sea of delicious chocolate syrup. Woo!
A teaspoon of vanilla.
Oh baby. Oh, look at that vanilla sizzle. Dennis, this is sensual.
Next, half a cup of peanut butter. We're gonna go with creamy. It doesn't specify, so maybe this predates the invention of creamy peanut butter.
Machinery wasn't advanced enough to pulverize those nuts.
They still can't pulverize these nuts. Now, add a bit of salt for some extra flavor. Now to add the oats to our chocolate oatmeal cookies, and probably the only nutrition in this recipe. Add 2 more cups of oats until you've added 3 cups of oats. I've heard steel cut oats won't work. You want to go with the quick oats.
Besides the plates that you're gonna serve these on, there's hardly any dishes to do.
And once you mix it all together, it's just kind of up to you how long you want to leave it on the heat. We did it for about 3 minutes. We think that'll give it still a little bit of a nice crunch with the oats. It won't be like too mushy. Now we're just gonna spoon this out onto a pan with some aluminum foil on it.
I do enjoy spooning.
Onto a baking sheet to cool. Now put these in the fridge until they're cool and ready to eat. Alright, it's time for the only thing that matters, the taste test. Grab your cookie and buckle in.
Oh my god.
Really?
Yeah. Oh Jesus. For how easy that was to make, the ease to deliciousness factor of this is too damn high.
It tastes very similar to the Little Debbie chocolate oatmeal cookies too.
So satisfying. Highly erotic as well. Eating these.
Well, you heard it here. Very erotic cookies.
Oh, these cookies.
I'm gonna have to take off my shirt.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
That's what I did the pause so I can
I know. Yeah.
Subscribe for more. Subscribe for a new recipe every week.
Rubber baby buggy bumpers. What? Jump.